Ready to ditch those expensive phone bills and start making free calls and sending texts across Canada? Let's dive into TextNow, a fantastic app that lets you communicate nationwide without a traditional phone plan, making it a game changer for cost-effective communication. Using a VoIP service first, you'll need to download the TextNow app from your app store. Euro is available on both iOS and Android devices. Find TextNow in the App Store, tap to download it, and then tap Open. Once you open the app, you'll be prompted to sign up for an account. You can do this using an email address and password. You'll also be asked to authorize location permissions so TextNow can work properly for you. After signing up, you'll be asked to choose an area code. Selecting area code that you want for your free Canadian phone number. Remember, this is the number people will use to contact you, and the phone number can be changed for a small fee. If you move, it will also say that you can earn credits to continue using the service. The app will give you a new phone number right away and will allow access to the EasyToast dialer screen to make a call. Tap the dialer icon, type in the phone number you want to call, and tap the call button. To send a text message, navigate to the messaging screen. Click the new message icon or on the contacts and select your contact. Type your message and hit send. Euro nationwide texting is completely free. Within the TextNow app, you'll find various setting tweaks. You can adjust notification preferences, customize call settings, and manage your account. That's it. You now have access to nationwide free calling and texting within Canada. Using TextNow, embrace the freedom of cost-effective communication. Like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.